Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign in on DCU mobile banking app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your DCU app on your phone, and now go ahead, add in your username designated and your password right over here and tap on sign in. As soon as you do that, you will be able to sign in, but before that, make sure to add in the member username, so you don't have to add a username again. And then for password purpose as well, tap on enable face ID, tap on continue, scan your face, so next time only your face ID can log you in without adding username or the password itself. But in case if you have forgotten any of the information, you have a option of choosing forgot username. Simply gotta add in your last name, birthday, last 4 digits of your SSN, and your phone number to simply confirm your username. Now for the password purpose, simply have tap on it, add in your username, last 4 digits of SSN, phone number to get the code and to know the password. Now for the business, you just have to change the company name, otherwise process is same. That is basically how you will be able to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.